Alright, so guys, I just showed you the 3 balls, sorry, and the 3 cups, okay, but what you didn't know, okay, there's nothing in this cup, but look in this cup, there's another ball, so you actually need 4 little balls and just 3 cups, okay, but before you show the magic trick, you put 1 ball in the cup, then you put 1 on top of that, and 1 on the bottom. So now, the middle cup has the ball. So if you take off the first cup, there's the ball. And then after you get the other 3, and you put them in it. So you have that. So what you do is, you lay them out. So you have 3 balls, and you only tell them that you have 3 balls. I know you can kind of see a ball in there, like the shadow, but that's why you have it standing up like this and stuff, so they can't really see it, or like face down or something like that. And then you just pick them up, and you go 1, but make sure it's a good speed, so they like keep all the speed the same. Don't go 1, 2, 3. Don't do that because they know something's suspicious. I can't really say that, but yeah. So again, and also, don't go too slow either, because it will eventually, see, that fall out here. It will fall out, so don't do that. Just practice what you need to, like, the trick's easy. You just gotta practice, like, the speed, you know? Just keep the speed good. See, you didn't even see the ball, but it's actually there. I'll do it again. So just make sure it's a good speed. And remember, the ball is in the middle cup. Not that cup, but that cup. Oh, whoops. Yeah. So, just keep it a nice speed. Okay. So there. It's in the middle cup. Then what you do is you grab the middle ball. Okay, so you have the balls lined up with the cups. Okay, so the ball's lined up with the cups. You grab the middle ball, set it on top. You get the 2 sides. You bang them together. You can say that they're empty, or you just show them that they're empty, you know, and you don't have to say it, but I just like to say that it's empty because sometimes they're like, wait, that's not empty, is it? And I'm just like, yeah, it is. Okay, so you get them, you bang them together. You put 1 cup here, and the other cup on top. You like hit it, or you can wave your fingers, or if you have like a wand, you can just like do whatever. I like to hit it, act like I made it go through kind of thing. Then you pick it up, and there's the ball. But really, what they don't know is that there's another ball in here, just like the beginning setup kind of thing, you know? So there. And then you just lay them back out, and then the middle ball's here, and you have this one, and then you set it over top. So they think that there's only 1 ball here, but there's actually 2. See, 2 balls. So yeah. Then you put it on top again. Put it here. Hit it. The 2 balls go through. It's a pretty good trick. Then what you do again is you put it over here. And then there's another ball in here, because we keep putting 1 in every time we set it on top, kind of thing. And then you go, put it back over, and put it there. Then you get the very last ball, and you put it on one of the sides. Then you grab the other side that's empty, you show them that it's empty, and you put it on top, and then you like hit it, and then with your little fingers here, you act like it's walking over. Then you say, did you see it? Did you see it go? And then you hit this one again, and the 3 balls are back. And then just to reset this trick, you just put them in the cup, and then after you just put the cup, then you just put this, okay, and you put that in there, and that in there, there. So the ball's in the second cup, and so you're always ready for your next trick. And yeah, thanks for watching, bye.